Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on multi-factor authentication on the Fiverr workspace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below. That's the last option. Click on preferences in the settings section and then click on the second button, security. Tap on this multi-factor authentication button in the right side, and as you can see, the app will send you an authentication code via SMS, email or Fiverr notification when using an unrecognized device or browser to log in. Here you can connect devices and connect accounts as well to your profile. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.